Hello, Sawati, and welcome to Phuket, Thailand. Kobe! Let's go! Woo, that was cold! That tastes so good. I love the beaches, man. Little caricature, man. Might have to get one of those done later. Looks like a vibe. Let's see his previous work. I wonder if he's gonna draw me accurately to how I think I look, or or not. Or not. We'll see. The prices are here. I might sit as a model and do it. Well, anyway, another day, second day now, Phuket. Just a reminder, yesterday I went to that restaurant that I showed you. That restaurant may have made me sick. First time this holiday, but thankfully today I think I'm back to normal. But last night wasn't the one, the two or the three. But anyway, back to go and do some more explorations today. Anything exciting happens, you were the first to see along with me. Peace. Also in Phuket they have a store called the Big C where you can come and just, it's like if you're from the UK, your Tesco, Asda's, or if you're from America watching this, which I know a lot of people from America do watch my vlogs, it's like Target or one of your normal convenience stores as well. So come here and there's many normal groceries and things, supplies you can get if you're here for a long time. It's a good spot to come. The Big C, adjacent to the Jaycelin mall here in Phuket. So yeah, supermarket settings, everything you need, groceries, food, local supplies, and there's even an upstairs section that has apparel, sporting goods, home furniture, and home entertainment as well. So yeah, the Big C if you want to get supplies for your stay here in Phuket. Another day at the beach, because what? Because life's a beach. I love the beaches, man. I love the beaches. Playing some bangers in the background too, you get me? Patong Beach, Thailand. So right now, I am capturing some 360 footage as well for you guys. I may post it somewhere from 360 footage so you can look around this whole beach as I move along. But just for this normal vlog, me POV as well, I'm gonna do something that I always do when I go abroad. Put my toes in the water, feel the ocean, and just almost do a bit of meditation and count my blessings for being able to do this, being able to travel and enjoy these seas. So here we go. Woo, that was cold. Oh, that was cold. Wowee. Sorry for screaming on camera. That is cold. Oh, that is cold. It feels good. Yeah, man. I'm on the beach. I'm on the beach. And it feels good. All right, I'm gonna turn the camera for a little bit and just gaze into the distance. Feel the water crashing against my feet. And just think about life a little bit. So catch you in the ever clip. Peace. But look what I've got myself into. Alright, so that was random, but when you're on Bangla Street, anything goes. When you're on Bangla Street, you see random things all the time. But this is to promote the mall. Interestingly, this is to promote the mall. Alright, so we're gonna try some basketball It's a kids basketball. So TikTokers eat. Oh, you joking me? Cool. Let's try the basketball. Let's go. Let's see who wins. I'm stuck. Oh, that's not fair. Nah. No, I'm missing. I'm missing. Guys, I'm missing. I'm missing. Guys, look at my technique. One-handed, yeah. He should beat me, really. He should beat me. He should beat me. He should beat me. I'm doing one-handed. But look at me. I'm getting buckets after buckets after buckets after buckets after buckets. I'm getting buckets. 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 I'm not having a basketballer. He's wearing a basketball outfit right now. He's got the whole basketball tee on. And look at him. Look at him and look at me. My score double his, fam. Almost double his. 5 seconds to go. Listen, I'm competitive. I will never lose. No matter what. No matter what. Look. Second round. I was moving now. Second round. Checking the camera still there, guys. Look at my technique, fam. One hand, you know. Just non-stop. Is he catching up, guys? Chat, is he catching up? Comment below. Comment below if you like my technique. Comment below if you like my technique. I'm using one hand only. Not with my left. And I'm getting bucket after bucket after bucket after bucket after bucket. My arm's getting tired now as well. I'm getting tired. Guys, I don't even play basketball. Round 3, let's go! Round 3, let's go. Oh, he didn't make it to round 3. He didn't make it to round 3. He didn't make the cut. He didn't make the cut. He didn't make the cut. Guys, he got 136. I finished round 2 on 186. One hand thing, my hand's getting tired though. You know, I might start just trying different things. Kobe! Okay. Last shot. Alright, there we go. 100 and 229. 136. Honestly, I don't lose. Let's go. I'm probably gonna lose this. Go on, yeah, ready? Probably gonna lose this one. Man's protecting his thing hard, you know. Guys, all right, let's get him. Let's get him. Here we go. Boom. There you go. You see that guy? What did I say? I'm gonna get him. What did I say? Oh. Ah, off the post. He's defending hard, you know. He's defending hard. He's defending like a lion. Oh. Let's go. Chat, what's this? Oh, what's this? Oh, what a defense! Oh, that should have went in. No, you're joking me. 1-0. All right, let's lock in, lads. Oh, is that all we get? That's all we got. We got robbed. Exactly, and it should be up to 5 at least. No matter how long it takes. That's terrible. Yeah. All right, so guys, what's going on? Oh, back to 6. All right, so guys, listen. Let's go. What is that? Is that my high score? I didn't even get to do it properly. What's going on here? What kind of fake machine is this?
4,000 off.
All right, listen. Let's do that again because the machine. She messed me up. Do without the thing this time. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Do it without the glove this time. That should be the high score. Come on. Let's see. I got rushed last time. Nah. The machine robbed me. The machine has robbed me. It's still, yes, and this is cooked. The machine's cooked.
This is a kids area.
The machine's cooked. The machine is cooked. Listen, guys. The machine is cooked. You saw the PowerPoint to that. It's cooked. Don't want me to go again? So I was gonna buy one fridge magnet that said all Thailand, but this store was very kind to me, so I'm gonna actually buy something from the store just to support them. And there is a Phuket fridge magnet here, which I'm liking a lot. So I'm not sure which one to get though. This one is calling out to me, but I kind of want one with the elephant as opposed to the tuk-tuk, because that's the elephant screams Thailand more. So I'm thinking to get this one. Got some nice key rings here as well. Some nice stuff. I'm master vegetarian. I might have to eat from here. Fried tofu and all that. Sawadika. By the way, that's how you say hello and greet people here in Thailand. It's Sawadika. That's how you say it. So if you hear me say that on camera a few times, that is why I'm saying hello. I'm saying hello in the local language. It's always good to learn a little bit of the local language so that, you know, you make an effort with the people that you're going to, you know, share your space with. So just come to this place, order a pad thai. We're getting the chicken freshly made. Thank you. Getting the chicken freshly made. Order the pad thai from the menu. As you can see, fresh in the kitchen from this local place. In this top section of the CentralWorld. Watermelon juice. All right, so I'm about to try some dessert. Sawadika. I'm gonna try ice cream with mango sticky rice. Can I get the ice cream with mango sticky rice?
Just one?
Just one. What's that? Oh, can I get a bottle of water as well, please? Right, so the mango sticky rice has arrived. It's quite different to what I'm used to or what I've seen in the UK, but you get a whole mango to eat, some mango ice cream, and then the rice is there, big green, interestingly, and then obviously this sauce they always give you as well with that. So let's give this a go. Hopefully this doesn't mess me up, but let's give it a go. In fact, let me taste a bit of the ice cream first. Taste that mango. All right, let's taste the mango together. Taste like mango. Fresh mango as well. Love it. Sniff this sauce. What is this sauce? Have a little sip. Coconut cream. Oh my god, it's so fire. Wow. That tastes so good. Coconut cream, people. I don't know what this is on top of the rice, but that's getting raked off right now. What that is, raking that off. But what I will do now is do what I love doing with mango sticky rice. Pouring this coconut creme de la creme on top of the rizzy rice. Oh my, lovely. Now let's have a little bite of this together as well. This is the actual main dessert. The rice is sticky. Now let's taste it. Yes, decent. I'm just eating coconut rice. Basically, I'm eating sticky coconut rice and it is very tasty. Now this costs more than the food that's had, the pad thai that's had. This costs 200 baht. Again, I'm not exactly sure how much that is in UK money, but I will put the conversion on the bottom of the screen. But yeah, 200 baht. Either way, it's not going to be much. It's going to be like what, £3, £4, £5 maybe. And but yeah, so far I think it's worth it. Actually tastes good. So I'm gonna go and finish it off hear from these guys. Peace. Phuket city centre at night. At night.
Yeah.
All right, about to shoot this 9mm clock. Yep.
No. Which one?
Yeah. Okay. Oh, damn. That it? That's everything.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Look at that. Boom. One of the bullseye. Couple on the middle there. You get me? Sharpshooter. I'm not gonna lie. This is the first time I shot. I felt like I've shot like a proper gun like that. And that is just mad loud. Oh my days. It's crazy.
Okay, I think everybody ready. Over there, you can come closer, guys. Everybody drop your hands.
Let's go.
Oh yeah! Go! Everybody grab your hands, grab!
Yes, the views in Phuket are beautiful. This is my first full day in Phuket, enjoying the beautiful views of this beautiful island in Thailand. A quick fun fact, Phuket, Patong has around 3 kilometers of lively beach, including the Bangla Road nightlife with bars, water sports, jet skiing, parasailing, and also some more quieter, scenic relaxation spots as well. Honestly, loving my time here so far. Let's go! You have to watch your stuff, I'm telling you. Random women just punching me. Look at the views that I'm getting. Famous Maya Bay, right here. Looking like paradise.
Hello people. My name is Melo.
The views are beautiful. The scenery is beautiful. I'm like a mannequin.